Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a full and feathery brow effect. This tutorial has only 2 steps. It's easy, quick, something you can do every day. Now my eyebrow hair is neither too thick, it's not too sparse. It used to be really sparse, but it has gained a nice fullness in the past few months. How did that happen? I have absolutely no idea. So anyways, let's get to the process. Starting off with soap, make sure you use a transparent or translucent soap. Any other soap imparts color to your brows and you don't want that. I have this weird soap that was kept in my bathroom and I used it. You can also use the Fiama gel bars or even an eyebrow gel if you're satisfied with the hold it provides. You will also need a spoolie. Try to pick one that is smaller and has dense bristles as it provides more precision. The spoolie below is a thick one and I would avoid it as it won't separate brow hair properly. Also, I have used it a couple of times, but that doesn't matter. Next, you wet the soap with setting spray or water, whatever you want, and just let the water sit on the soap for a couple of minutes. This will just melt the soap. After this, you dip your spoolie and make sure that it is coated evenly and properly with the soap. So here I just make sure that all the areas are coated really nicely. After this, you have to take off the excess soap from the spoolie and it should look something like this. Now the brow has 3 parts here, the starting, the arch and the tail. The hair in the starting has to be back combed a bit to get the volume. The arch and tail completely depends on your brow shape. I do not brush the hair vertically up as it gives me really thick brows and it looks way out of control. I basically use 3 motions. For the first, I go with the direction of hair. Second, I back comb the hair to make sure it retains the volume. And third, the hair that is way too long has to be controlled. So I just make sure that it's in line with the other brow hair. Next, I'm using my finger to gently press the hair in place, and after this there is no moving, you will only be filling them up. The other side has way less hair at the start, so I have to make sure that I back comb a bit more than the other side. Again, the same 3 motions, first in the direction of hair, then back comb, and then set the 2 long portions in place. So here I'm just thoroughly going through the back combing process. You can see it just gives you that feathery kind of effect. And then once that is done, you have to set all the brow hair in place so that it doesn't look excessively wild. Yeah, that's how I would explain it. To fill in your brows, you need a very fine angled brush to make hair-like strokes. This brush is from Shein. It's super duper fine. It's so fine that I was going through a struggle to capture it on camera. It's even finer than the angled liner brush. Now today I'll use a brow pomade, that is the L'Oreal Brow Artist Brow Pomade in Ebony. You can also use a brow pencil if you are a beginner. So this is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette, I think. Anyways, that will be in the description box. It's retractable and ultra fine, perfect for tiny hair-like strokes. First, I'm using the pencil to create a guideline, and then I'm going to create a few hair-like strokes with the pomade. Make sure that the brush is evenly coated with the product and remove the excess somewhere. I like to begin from the start of my brows, creating hair-like strokes, and you will see that I create just 4 to 5 strokes and that's it. After this, a couple of strokes in the arch and then I'm done. On the other side, I need to fill properly as this is the sparse brow. Make sure that you are very gentle. Do not apply a lot of pressure to the brush. So that is how they look after filling. The magic is in the setting process. The way you set your brow hair really matters. You have to consider shape and volume of your brows. If you are doing it for the first time, you will struggle a bit, but once you figure out the perfect direction to brush your brow hair, it's going to be fun. You can wear these quick brows without makeup or with makeup. That's it for the video. You can mention any queries in the comments. All the products will be listed in the description except that soap, but I will make sure to list the alternatives. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.